How to buy AESOPERATOR token. So this token came under the symbol of AESOP. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. So the liquidity here are locked by 89% as good as a main investment in a safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is until this Solana network. Now open your funds money toward that. As you can see here, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, of course. Now here type the address token. Now click on your token here. As you can see here, you will be able to type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is, and after that select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy AESOP token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.